I had a humiliating experience with my neighbors last night. After dinner, I opened the garage to let in some fresh air since it was hotter inside. Later, I went to grab a smoke before watching a movie and had just chugged a Sprite. As I headed to the garage, I felt a massive burp coming on. I let it rip, roaring like a lion with my head back and fists clenched. But when I opened my eyes, I was mortified to see my neighbor's entire family frozen in their driveway, staring at me. I had forgotten that I left the garage open. Not knowing what to do, I quickly closed the garage and retreated back inside. Now I'm too embarrassed to leave my house, fearing I'll face my neighbors again.